Hello world, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it, and there is a hit button right over there. Just click that button so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. I do fashion related videos, makeup videos, and skincare videos, and sometimes hairstyles and hairdos also. So I'm expanding my area of working and it is taking a little time. So if you want to know what I do, where I do, just follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. So I will be putting everything in the description bar, you can just check it out. So in today's video we are going to see this cute makeup look where everything is a little pinky and reddish, and this is a very simple look and you can do it in just 5 to 7 minutes, and there are no fussy things, less and less makeup products, and very easy to use. It is workable, you can wear it anywhere you want to wear. You can wear it in office, college, or maybe on your date also. The only thing is not here is the kajal. If you want to wear the kajal like you like kajal, just apply a very thin line of kajal to your eyes and you're good to go. But I do not apply it because when I apply kajal, I apply all over it. I directly go to the smoky eyes look. But yeah, for cute looks you can do like this. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. And as always, we will start by the base. Now if your skin is flawless, then do not use any kind of base. Like there is no need to apply BB cream, CC cream, foundation or anything of that sort. Only if you have too many issues with your skin, only then. Otherwise in cute looks you can go without base, and that is the best part of this look. I will use my BB cream for this look because I like to apply base whenever I want to go out. So I will use my BB cream that is very lightweight and very light coverage. So this will be best for this video. For BB cream, I'm gonna use this Spawake BB cream. This is their moisture surge or something, and this also has the SPF. I have used it before also. If I'm not wrong, I have shown it in my another video also, I don't remember that. But this is a really nice lightweight and acceptable long wearing BB cream. So I'm gonna take a very little amount, and as always I'm going to warm the product up. I will not use any kind of tool today, like no brush, no sponge, only my fingers. Firstly I'm going to distribute the product. This is a tad bit light for my skin tone. I feel the shade is a little light, but it's okay, it's workable. And as I said, this has a very light coverage. Now the only thing is you need to be quick with this one because this has a very matte finish. Like even when you're blending, this takes a little time to blend into your skin. So just be quick with the blending. Now the next step is very simple. I'm going to apply the compact directly on it, and I'm not using any kind of loose powder or something like that because I do not want my face to look cakey. So I want to go with a very light layer of compact because I have oily skin, so I need to apply powder. But if you have dry skin, just skip that. Now for powder, I will use my Lotus makeup. This is the compact. Swirl my brush into it. I am not concealing my under eyes because that is just not cute, okay? So you can just skip that. But if you have serious issue of having dark circles under your eyes, then you need to apply the concealer. But in my case, I'm not using concealer. Cute looks are more about having round face, and that I have naturally. So I am skipping the contouring today because I can have fat red hair to look cute. But if you want, you can do, but I would suggest don't go for contouring if it is a cute look. So I will be doing some bronzing because I like bronzing, and that just makes your face having more liveliness. So we will move directly to the bronzing. No surprises for bronzing. I will use my Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee.
With my contouring brush, taking a little dusting off and applying.
For blush, I will use my SFR blush kit. There is no shade actually, but you can see the colors. These are beautiful pinky blushes. I usually use all of these, and if I don't have any other color of blush, I will simply use my eyeshadow as a blush. So I'm gonna use this standout pinky red shade from this palette. Listing of these. You see this pinkiness going on. This is the main thing of your cute makeup look. Now moving to the eyes, I will do my eyebrows, but not much with my eyes. I usually don't apply mascara on daily basis, and that is what I'm not going to do today also. But I will curl my lashes, and if you like wearing kajals, just put some kajal on, and very thin and single line, not much, but very thin line. But I will apply a very thin line of eyeliner to my eyes just to define. For my thin line eyeliner, I will use my Lakmé Insta liner. Now for cute looks, you cannot go with wing liners. I mean, if you want to, you can definitely apply, but try to avoid it if it is meant to be looking cute. So this is how we are gonna keep eyeliner on my eyes. The eyebrows, I need to shape them up, but I cannot fill them, otherwise they will look like I have done so much and will not look cute. So I'm gonna use my Simple Me on eyebrow pencil. I'm going to give a little definition to them and just comb through them so that they look nice and brushed up. And for the lipstick, I'm going to mix two lipsticks. Although you can go with your simple normal lip balm also, but I'm going to show you both of the ways. I will apply the lip balm first, and then I'll show the second lipstick doing thing. For lip balm, I'm going to use this Baby Lips from Maybelline. This was their limited collection, and it is so nice color. It just fails any other lipsticks. So comfortable to wear and so nice. The only thing is you cannot wear it under mask because this just ruins everything. For that purpose, you need to wear the lipstick, but I'm just showing you if you are at home or sort of that thing where you do not need to wear the mask. You can apply this one, and this just looks so stunning. And here this looks, and this is so simple, so cute. We will be mixing two shades. One is from Blue Heaven, this is the pink shade. One is this Glamour Beauty, this is a random brand, and this is in the shade red or something. This has number 2, but these both are so flushy, so kind of lively colors. Perfect. Firstly, I will apply this one, and then I am going to use this one. This will gonna look so good once your lipstick is dried down, and it is safe for the mask wearing also. So here we complete our cute makeup look. This is straight up cute look. You can wear it with any outfit, with anything. Like this pink shade is workable with any outfit and you're gonna look cute. If you like the content, just share it with your friends, like my video, comment on it and share it and definitely subscribe to it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.